And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a soft smoky look for you. So if you want to see that, then keep watching. Also, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then why not hit that big red subscribe button down below this video or over on my YouTube channel. So I've already gone in with a moisturiser. I'm going to take a primer now, and the one I'm going in with is by Aoife, and it's just this one here. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is a foundation, and this one is by Makeup Revolution, and it's their Fast Base Foundation Stick in number F4, which just looks like that, and that is the shade that it is. Now this is probably going to be slightly darker on my skin, just because it was the only shade left in the shop then when I picked it up. So I didn't pick up a new setting powder, so I'm just going to go in with one I already have. So I just went ahead and filled my eyebrows in off camera. I'm going to go in with a concealer next, and the concealer I'm going to use is by Makeup Revolution. So I'm going to take a concealer next, and the concealer I'm going in with is by Makeup Revolution, and it's the Conceal and Define, and this one is in C5, and it just looks like that. Bronzer from Primark, and it's in the Havana, and it's an old palette, and I'm just going to take this bronzer shade here. Now, and I'm going to go in with the Ultra Blush palette from Makeup Revolution, and it just looks like that, and they are the shades in the blush palette, and I'm just going to take this shade here. highlighter, and I'm going to go in with the Radiance highlighter palette, which is this one here, and that is what the shades look like. Go with the gold highlighter, which is this shade here. Which is this one here, and this one is from I Heart Makeup, and it's the Salted Caramel eyeshadow palette, and it just looks like that. So I'm going to zoom in closer so you can see what I'm doing in the eyes. So I'm just going to take this shade here, and I'm going to apply that shade to the crease of the eyelid. Take this shade here, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer crease of the eyelid. I'm going to take this dark shade here. Next, I'm just going to take that concealer by Makeup Revolution. I'm going to take this gold shade here, and I'm taking a flat brush I'm going to take a MAC paint pot in black ground, which is this one here. Take a lipstick now. The lipstick I'm taking today is by Maybelline, and it's in Beige for Good 610, and it's just this one. It just looks like that. Off now by going in with some mascara, and this one is by Benefit, and it's their Real Mascara, and it just looks like that, and it's a travel size one. you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't be afraid to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye!